first project that we had to do was create a data visualization sculpture. The data that we were going to visualize was all of our personality type indicators after we took the Myers-Briggs test. Kind of graphing and mapping out our data, we were able to experiment with prototypes and build sculptures and make this data something informative and something beautiful that we could put on a display at our party. We decided on a mobile because it let us display our individual results on a sculpture that was collective and aggregated all of our information. Mostly inspired by our guest speaker Sarah, who came and presented her work through her installation and performance art, where she took data like anthropological or whether it be artistic or informative and visualized it using materials that were three-dimensional and took up space. After she spoke and experimented with our hands, created the dimensions for it, brought the materials, we assembled wire, metallic bars, and acrylic shapes that we cut out from a laser cutter. Each shape represents each of our individual results. Depending on where it's placed on the scale is where we fall on the 4 different dichotomies of the personality type indicators. And then we had to create an interactive art piece, which was also going to be at the party, where party guests would actually take a simplified version of the Myers-Briggs test.
Based on their answers, they all corresponded to a color. For example, red represented extroverted and pink represented introverted. They would pick up corresponding paint color and blast it onto the canvas. And the idea was that throughout the night we would see the data visualized through this interactive art piece. If you look at the canvas, there's a lot more red than pink, so we had a lot of extroverts at the party. People can come in our room and ask us, hey, what the hell is that? And we're like, that's data visualization.